You are looking at my realistic strobe light kit by Radio Shack. Before we move forward, if you like my videos, please consider subscribing. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, click the bell icon. Now back to the strobe light kit. These are the actual pages from the 1972-1973 Radio Shack magazines. Radio Shack was selling this as a complete light and in kit form in '72. I built this kit in '72 when I was in 6th grade, and after several repairs, it still works. I recently dug it out of a box and found the wire round resistor broken. You can see the crack in the resistor where it crosses the number 4. So I took a trip down to the last remaining Radio Shack to buy a replacement. Luckily, we still had one open. It's been 40 years since this capacitor was manufactured, and it's still operational, and it's not leaking. About 20 years ago, I had to replace a leaky capacitor for the shiny blue one you see here. I've replaced the xenon lamp several times over the years. Like all bulbs and lamps, they wear out. It is due to be replaced again. That's why it's not flashing as it should. The working voltage on the xenon lamp is around 300 volts. Inside the bulb is xenon gas. This bulb has 3 terminals: positive anode, negative cathode, and a high voltage trigger. As you can see, there is carbon buildup around the base of the bulb. This is an indicator that the bulb is about to go bad. As you can see, the tube base and the tube socket are keyed. This is because the bulb must be installed only in one direction. There you have it, my 1972 realistic or Radio Shack strobe light kit. If you like my videos, consider subscribing. If you want to be notified when I upload a new video, ring the bell.